Hello dear friends, in this video I will show you how to create a turbine like this in SolidWorks. Let's create a new document. Part. OK. Select the front plane. Sketch. Select the arc tool and draw from the center. There. OK. Select the center line. Mirror our arc for me. OK. Create another arc. OK. Make it tangent. Exit the sketch. Display our front plane. Reference geometry, specifically the reference plane. Now, carefully select our plane for clarity, and as the next step, proceed to generate an offset distance from it, which will be used in our design. Something like this. OK. Hide our plane, remove this plane, and create a sketch. Ctrl 8. At this stage, carefully select all of our lines, and then proceed to utilize the object transformation. Remove all constraints. Carefully draw a center line using the appropriate tool. Okay. Place a point at its center. Okay. Select the rotate objects command with care. Carefully select the center of rotation, and then rotate the selected object by exactly 45 degrees. Where our point was selected, and by 45 degrees. Okay. Now let's use the scale objects command and slightly scale our object. Like this. Okay. Exit sketch. Let's hide our plane. Base loft bisections. Take two profiles and make a rotation. It's positioned a little incorrectly. Let's change it. Okay. Let's select the plane on the right, sketch, Ctrl 8, draw an arc. Points from the center, move it a little to the side, and start drawing. An arc like this. Okay. Draw a line. To the central point and close it. Okay. Make it horizontal. Excellent. Let's slightly enlarge our propeller. Exit the sketch. Return the white butterfly. Return it. And check the merge results box. Okay. At this point, use the circular pattern command. Select the direction in which we will rotate. And then select our preferred blade. 30 instances. Well, let's do 40. No, better make it 35. 35 instances. Click OK. It'll take a moment to process. And then next, go to Insert, Bodies, Combine Bodies. Select our body and attach it as usual. OK. The airplane turbine is ready. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. This was Alexi. Happy to be with you. Have a great day.